How to play music on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can play music on Discord directly from your phone. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Discord app on your phone. And now, to play music, you will need to use a music pod added to your server. And if you don't have one yet, ask the server admin to set it up. Next, join the voice channel where you want to play music. And once you are in the voice channel, simply type /play in the text chat and a query box will appear. From there, type in the name of the song that you want to play. For example, I will just type playdate and just tap on the send button. And after tapping, the bot will start playing the song right away in the voice channel. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.